Well, disembarkation this morning. Everybody's waiting for us down there. The buses and everything. Got to go down here. Oh, we're getting off the ship here. We're going to land. And they got the tourist bureau over there. And we got our buses on here. So ready to go.
So Ooshima Tsumugi has existed for about 1300 years.
着物の女王と言われる大島紬ができるまでをご覧いただきます。
So here you can see some of the best kimonos in Japan.
大島紬ができるまでという旅へ出かけましょう。
So you can actually see the difficult and complex processes that go into the making of the kimono.
はい、では目を作って張り切っていきますよ。
これ英語に訳せない。It's a very Japanese thing. I don't know how to. Ready? Go! Quite lucky to see this bird. Don't get to see him very often.
最大の植物です。
So this is a large fern.
日陰ヘゴと言います。
Called a hikage-hego in Japanese, which is a flying spider monkey fern.
まだまだ大きく成長します。
So it's going to get a lot bigger than this.
葉っぱも長く伸びたら茶色く。
Shade palm. In English we don't call it a shade palm. They don't call it a shade palm. That is dry.
こちらでご覧いただきましょう。この田んぼね。
Part of the dyeing process, it helps the silk threads to get dark.
真っ白い糸を真っ白になるまで何回も染めて、染めた糸を織り合わせる大島紬は先染め織物です。
So the threads which are bound into mats are dyed in these fields, numerous. The reason for that is the mud contains iron.
そしてこの木がサリンバイと言います。
So this tree to our left here is called a sharinbai or a Yedo hawthorn.
この木を煮出してサリンバイの汁でまずは糸を染めます。
So this tree, the actual wood is boiled down and it contains tannin acid.
このサリンバイにはタンニンが含まれています。 このパネルご覧ください。
So if you look at this panel here,
これは柄をデザインを考える図案師がいます。
these are
大きな旗織り機ご覧ください。
so this is a binding loom.
締め綿といってここではこのような布を作っています。
So at this loom we produce this mat here.
絹糸と木綿2種類織り上げたものです。
So the silk runs up, down, while cotton runs left, right.
旗にかかっているこの糸が木綿です。
So so that's the cotton running long ways here.
職人が手に取って通す糸が絹糸です。
So the actual craftsman is throwing the silk threads with a rocket.
両足用のペダルを踏み替えたら木綿糸が上下交差
So
し
he
ま
uses
す。
pedals and dye.
ということはここでは模様の糸を作るためにこの布を作っているということなんですね。
So they use these mats which will finally end up being like this thread. So basically the cotton protects certain sections of the silk from being dyed. Here we have to remove more sections of the cotton to have the silk dyed with colours by hand.
その時に絹糸も一緒に切らないように木綿だけを外します。
So this is where the actual cotton is being removed from the mats, and you have to be careful not to cut any of the silk threads. Still certain sections have parts of cotton threading.
全部外したら絹糸はバラバラにならなくてつながっているんです、この中で。
So once all of the cotton has been removed, this will be just one single thread.
長い糸ですよ。
Each thread contains all of this difficult and hard work. Yes.
How come they're working in their hands with dye and nothing shows up on their hands as they're working?
なんでこんなにいろいろやってるのに手袋もない、手も汚れてないんですよ。なんで？
ああ、手作業、あ、手袋しない。どうぞ、お進みください。
Please move into the weaving room.
It's so thin.
Alright, let's make a move.
Question.
Yes.
I noticed all men were doing the first three phases, and
Right.
all the women are doing the weaving.
Yep.
Is there a reason?
Going across the bridge here. See the side, little water down there. Little break down the other side there.
So it's not made by one craftsman, it's actually part of a team, it's teamwork in producing the Ooshima Tsumugi.
チームつむぎで作っていきます。
You can climb up here and go up in the top up there. Yeah. It's like
ネズミが入ってこないためにも床を高くしました。
And that's one of the reasons that the stilts are so large as well, to keep
pattern
the
on the
most
roof.
popular pattern in Ooshima Tsumugi.
ツゴ柄と言います。
It's called Tatsugo Gara or the Tatsugo pattern. So this area is actually called Tatsugo. So it's the pattern